Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a friendly 2v2 battle in Clash Royale. This is perfect if you want to play with your friends or clanmates without losing trophies and just to have fun. Let's get started. First, open the Clash Royale and go to your clan tab. And here in the clan chat, tap friendly battle, then select 2v2. Once you send the request, any clan member can join, and you'll be teamed up with your friendly 2v2 match. This is the fastest and easiest way to play. If you want to play with your specific friends, you can go to the social tab in the middle of your screen and open your friends list and tap on the friends who's online and choose friendly battle. And under the basic tab, you'll usually see the 2v2 option, which you can select directly. There was a temporary update where the Supercell disabled the friendly 2v2 battles due to bug causing disconnections. If the 2v2 doesn't appear, that's the reason. Once it's fully restored, it will show up again in the same place. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.